I'm gonna start with 20s. I don't know how well this will go, but I'm gonna do it. You're gonna hinge over, and you're gonna give me that back fly, pulling that elbow in, okay? Inhale. Hinge over. On your mark, get set, go. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze it. You got it. Go. Chin out, looking 45 degrees. Out on the mat. Whew. Pulling your intercostal muscles. Yeah, invisible girdle. We don't need no skins. Spanx, no thanks. I got muscles. Push. 3. Come on. 2. Get your own Spanx with some muscles, ladies. I don't want to be wearing no pantyhose all day long. Who's got time for that? Inhale. All right, I need to get these inverters in. Ladies, face down, booty up. Give me a nice pump right here. I need to give me a pump on that back. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. 3, 2, 1. I need you to give me a mashup. I need small little mountain climbers. Go. Come on. Talk about it, talk about it. Here's 4, 3, 2. Now, big froggies. Look. Keep that head below the heart. Pump those legs. Froggies. Come on. Now, donkey kicks. Woo! I need those glutes and that booty to be flying high. 3. Come on. Kick your own glutes. Motivational kick in the butt, literally. 2 and 1. Hold it there. Oh my gosh. Feels so invigorating. Walk it in. I need you to push. Contract the spine, tap the face. Get that sinus passage open. Here's 4. 2. Oh. 1, hands on the knees. Bring it up. Woo! Oh. Some people are still in a food coma. Some people are still hungover. Still got alcohol in their system. I'm feeling nauseated just thinking about it. You're living a clean life. Don't you stop. Let's do this. Woo!